Hey guys, welcome to the third class of Diploma Course in Digital Marketing. Till now, we've done two classes. In the first class, we learned what is domain, what is hosting, and how to buy domain and hosting. In the second class, we learned how to create a simple WordPress website. We have used Minimize theme. Okay, students have practiced as well. Maybe this weekend we'll be showing the students' website to you as well, how they're performing in the class. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create lead generation. Like if you have a website, it's nothing. You should able to collect some leads, right? You created a website. Okay. Why are we creating a website? If it is a hospital website, what we need? Student appointments we need, right? So that's why we will be creating it. So how to have that contact form, how to have that live chat, how to have that pop-up buttons, we're going to learn. There are so many plugins. Today we'll learn few of them. Slowly we'll be learning more. Okay, right. Let me share the screen and hi, learn English with me. People who have questions, you can post over here. Maybe initial 20 minutes. I'll be teaching the subject. Later, I'll be taking your questions as well. Thank you. So, lead generation plugins in WordPress we're learning. In previous section, you missed how website go live. It was live already. Whatever the website I created, it was live. You don't need to do anything. If it is a HTML website, how it will be? By default, website is not live. They have to upload manually to the server. WordPress is a dynamic website. Whatever we done, it's live. It was there already. Okay. Just click on update, it will be live. I'll be showing the website right now. Okay. Share. I'm sharing my screen. You can see the website. Yeah. So this is the website we designed. I designed the Apollo Hospital website, but I gave assignment to the student and Prashant, right? Yes. Prashant has designed this. I made some changes anyway. So because it's just one class, they're still learning. But I'll show you during the 1 week how much they progressed, what kind of beautiful website they created. I'm going to show you. And yeah, so this is a simple website he created. He created a website for digital marketing. Now, website is okay. People came here, they understood the content. One student wants to enroll, but nothing is there to enroll. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a contact form. Like you purchased a smartphone. By default, in a smartphone, there will be a YouTube app, correct? By default, Gmail app will be there, but by default, Swiggy app will be there. What you have to do? Download from Play Store, correct? In the same way, by default, few options are by default. See here, search button is there. Few more options are by default. But if you want to have a contact form, it's not default. You have to add it manually. So I'm going to that. So guys, yesterday in class, we already discussed if you have a website, WordPress website, to type the website name, you can see the website. But in order to log in it, you have to type the website name /wp-admin. Then it will ask you username and password. If you enter the password, you will go to the dashboard like this. This is the dashboard. Okay. So we already discussed in order to create a website, first pages you have to create. Theme. Yesterday we learned Minimize theme, menu, customize. We're going to learn so many themes in the future. I'll be showing the different themes, how to customize. For hospital, what kind of theme is good. For school, what kind of theme is good. I'm going to explain. Right. Now, I want to have a contact form. Let me do it for you. How to add contact form on your website. So by default, it is not there. In a phone, you go to Play Store, right? Here, plugin is a Play Store. Most of your designing, you will learn with the plugins only. So go to the plugins and click on Add New. Because this is already a previous website, They have some plugins already there. I'm deleting them and I'll show you manually how to do that. Okay, you want to download one app, assume that fashion app. You don't know which app is good. On what basis you will download the app? Review, ratings, number of installs. Based on that, you will do it. Here also same thing. When you click on plugin and add new, so here search plugin. What do you want now? What plugin you want? Contact form. This plugin you wanted. When you type contact form, there are n number of things will come. See here, there are so many contact forms came. Now see here, 5 million active installations. Contact form 7. WP forms 5 million. Such way, so many are there. So obviously this is coming on top. They have a good number of installs, and these have a good reviews as well. Okay, but I want you to use the simple one. These are somewhat complex. I want you to try the simple one. This is designed by Takayuki Miyoshi. This is designed by WP Forms company itself. This is really good. But if you take a premium one, this is good. I want you to try the free one. These are all free only, but simple one. There is a company called Supsystic. The company name is Supsystic. So when I type this here, contact form by Supsystic, just install this. You will be getting a form. And because I typed Supsystic, what else the plugins they have, they're showing. Google Maps plugin you can show on your website. Slides, your website, you want to show some slides, you can do it. Pop-ups, suddenly you want to have a pop-up, you can do it. Social share buttons. What do you mean by social share buttons? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you can share. Like you don't want to show your website to the people. Okay, you can see, you should see, but people should not see right now. Then you can activate this, coming soon. Live chat. Translate. Assume that you started a blog and you're writing blogs in English. But one Telugu person comes, Tamil person comes, with one click, complete content should convert to Telugu and Tamil. That option also there, translator. Such way, these are all the plugins they designed. There are thousands of plugins free of cost to use, but you don't have to download everything. Whatever is required, use that. As of now, I want contact form. So I'm using this contact form by Supsystic. Install. Once you install, activate it. Sometimes it takes time. Meanwhile, guys, people who are on live, if you have any questions, you can ask me so that I can reply back. Any questions, guys? People who are on live? Okay, it shouldn't take this much time. Let me refresh it. See, already it is installed. I'm activating it. Okay. Activated. Whenever you install a plugin, majorly you go to plugin section, you will find it. Sometimes it will come in a dashboard as well here. Here also it will come. It will be there here for sure. Some plugins will come in the dashboard. Can you see here? It came here on the left hand side. Contact form by Supsystic. So click on this. Now you have to create your form. Your first form you're creating. Just name it. Any name you can give. I'm giving it as a name. And choose the form type. There are different colors, combinations you have. Okay, choose whatever you want. So I'm choosing the basic one here. This is enough, and I'm clicking on save. So when you're done, you can see your contact form by Supsystic. There is a short code. Copy this. Wherever you want, you can paste it. Where you want the contact form on your website?
End of the page.
It's good to have it in contact us page, right? Directly. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the pages, contact us page, edit. Now in the content, directly I'm pasting the code. Whatever the code was there, I just pasted. I didn't write any code. Now let me go to the website, tech.oc.in. Where I have to go? Contact us. Can you see the form? The people who come here, they can fill the. Now whoever fills the form, this will come to the website owner email ID. By the time you bought a Bluehost account, you might have given your email ID, right? There it will go. If you want to customize that to the particular person also, you can do it actually. But before that, what I'm going to do is, in the contact us page, I want to write something because as of now, this is just blank. You're not asking anything. So I'm writing, please fill the form so that our agents will get back to you. Now, when you refresh, see that content came. So people fill the form. Okay. Now here, what is there? First name, last name, email, subject, message. What is missing here? What field is missing here? Phone number is missing. So by default, they don't have phone number. I want to have a phone number. Then what I can do is, I'll go to the contact form here only. Previously we did, right? Contact form. Again, I'll show you manually. Contact form. This is the form we created. You'll be getting analytics as well. How many people viewed? How many unique views? If someone filled the form as well, how many transactions done also you can see. Now I'm clicking on this. Now if you want, you can change the form background, the colors, everything you can do it. Instead of that, go to the option called field. These are the fields we have. I don't want last name. Just click on delete button. I don't want message button. I don't want subject. Now what we have? First name, email, send button. Reset also I don't want it. What I want is phone number. Name, email ID, phone number is good. I want to have a phone number, right? Can you see add new field? Click on this add new field. There are so many options. Whether you want text, email, drop down, text area, radio buttons, numbers, so many options are there. Few options are like if someone want to upload a resume, like you are a recruiter, you want people's resume, you can select this file upload. But see, Pro is providing everything is free, but you pay money so that he'll be giving all the options as well. So these are Pro options. Remaining are free. So I'm going for the number. So in the number, here something called placeholder. Placeholder, nothing but, can you see here? Before you type, they're giving something called message. It's giving you hint that this is a message. So that is called placeholder. So here what I'm writing is under placeholder, type phone number. This is for the user. There is something called name. This name is for the system. Okay. So user will not see this. This is for the system. I use something like this number. This is the number type. Now assume that you have multiple fields 1, 2, 3. No two fields should have a same name. If you means number, another one should have a number 1, number 2. Same thing, you should not do it. Okay, phone number, number. And I'm mentioning that required. If someone filling it and he forgot to not mention the phone number, it will not accept. Until you will accept, it show error message. Okay, save button. Krishna Prasad says that will plugins slow the website speed? Too many plugins will slow the website speed. But these are the mandatory things. It's okay. You can have. Now I'm going to the contact us. I'm refreshing it. You got right? First name, email, phone number also there. No, I don't want first name. I want to have just name only. So again, where I have to change? Here the first name. They mentioned the placeholder as a first name. So let's take it as a name. Right. Okay. And save. Don't forget to save. Now someone fill the form where the lead is going. For that, field is done, right? Submit options. Can you see submit options? Here it's clearly mentioned. Which email ID? Test email function. So I'm giving to from here also you can change. And you know what? You want to give it to two people in management. You want this lead to go to the director, HR, manager also. Then what you can do is you put comma and another email ID also you can give. So both of them will receive it. Okay. See here, email where we need to send contact form info can enter several email addresses separated by the comma. Everything is done. Then I clicked on save. Then refresh. Now filling the form, I just refreshed it. Again, I'll be double checking whether I saved it or not. I'm refreshing it. Now here I'm filling the details like test, customer email address is this, and he doesn't want to provide a phone number. Then you click on send. See the error message is number. Click on send. Thank you for contacting us. You got the message. So we got a lead. This lead, it will come to the email. What are the email ID you gave? It will come. Sometimes it will take time, 2 to 3 minutes. But don't worry, if it didn't come to email also, this will be here always. Go to your contact form by Supsystic. This is your thing, right? This is one you created. See, it's already showing that one action came already. You just click on this. Now, here, show contacts. Left hand side in the dashboard, you have an option called contacts. Here, you got the lead. Let us do it actually for all of you. Please open this website. Guys who are on live also, please open this website tech.woozy.in and click on contact us. Fill the form. Let's see how the lead is coming so that we can track. Can you switch off that? Not AC, that fan. So people who are live as well, please open this website tech.woozy.in, click on contact us and fill the form. I will show you how the lead is coming. Guys, people who are live, is it helping you? Just put it in a comment so that we'll try to increase the quality of this. As of now, we are using the free software. We'll try to have the premium one next time. So let me know whether this is helping you or not. You want me to increase some quality. So what problem you are facing? Let me know in the chat so that I'll try to increase it. Done? You filled out? You also done?
Message of the message.
Message?
Message option.
You getting? ఏ మెసేజ్ ఆప్షన్ అర్థం కాలేదు.
మనము కాంటాక్ట్ ఫామ్ లో మెసేజ్ ఉండే కదా,
అవును
అది తీసేసాం కదా,
అవును.
అవసరం లేదా?
And see, you want lead, right? You want his name, his email, his phone number. You want his question also, you message it. అంటే కస్టమర్ క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలనుకుంటే పెట్టండి, మీ ఇష్టం. నేనేమనుకుంటే అవసరం లేదు. He know everything. Now he's ready to give you a contact. That's why message is not required.
We have to get that.
We will call back them immediately. For blogs, which theme is good? Try news. Just type news. You'll be getting a theme. I'll be making a separate video on the blog. Follow that. And I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful one. Right. Now let me show you the screen here. I hope all of you fill the form. Now I have only Sai-Pawan one cream. See here, I have his thing and phone number. I got it. Only Sai-Pawan. So when I click on this, I can see his detail: his name, his email ID, his phone number, his IP address, on which page he filled the form, which date, what is the form, everything I got it. Now I'll be giving to my admin team where they started calling them, emailing them. So this is the lead generation. The main reason of creating a website is for the lead generation. Now Prashant one also came. So when I click on this checkbox, see, name, email, phone number, from which URL will be getting. At the same time, you will be getting on email as well, because my email have so many, it might take some time. Sometime you can check on spam as well. See, it's coming in a spam. It came in a spam only because I deal with so many websites, hundreds of websites, so it's keep on coming. It triggered as a spam, but for you mostly it will come in inbox only. See, I got leads now. The first one which I created, second one which Pawan has done, Prashant done. In such way lead coming. So from here also I can forward it. Anyway, it's always be there here. You can utilize it. Clear? Any questions on the contact form? You will be learning in advanced things where once the lead comes, I don't have to forward to the admin team. Automatically, we will be integrating to the CRM tool. Whenever the lead comes, automatically it will go to the team. And one more thing is, automatically one SMS also go to the customer. Thank you very much for filling the form. He'll be getting on email as well. This is called automation. Human intervention is decreased. Because of this, leads will increase, sales will increase. Because whenever you did something, automatically SMS email is coming, customer feel that it's a brand. So we'll be learning the automation in the future. Right. Now all of you can create contact form, right? Right. Next. But these days people are very lazy, you know. People don't have a time to fill the form as well. But they don't have a time to fill the form, but they're ready to chat with you for 30 minutes on WhatsApp. Correct? People habituate for chatting. At the time, how to have a live chat on your website? Again, by default, that option is not there. What we have to do? We have to from plugins. So what I'm doing is here, left hand side, there is an option called plugin. I'm clicking on the plugin, add new, and type live chat. Again, today's class, I'm explaining some basic plugins. Maybe this Friday, I'll be explaining a more advanced plugins as well. When I type live chat, see, HubSpot is there, PDO is there, Pure Chat, so many are there. Talk.to, this is the beautiful one. But again, here also I'm telling you, try the simpler one. Later we'll go for the complicated one. Here also type live chat by Supsystic. Very simple to use. Live chat by Supsystic. See here? Install and activate it. So when it comes to live chat, it's when it comes to contact form, manually you have to create. Live chat is automatic. Let's show you this. You got live chat? There is a let's chat option is there, top corner. Now whenever customer click on this, he has to provide his email and name, click on start chat. Then I can chat with them. Please go to the website and fill the details. So go to this website tech.woozy.in and bottom right you will see the option called let's chat. Fill your details. I'll show you how the chat process works. Done? Okay, so when it comes to live chat as well, left hand side you will have a see a live chat dashboard. Click on that. Whatever the chats came, it will be here. So it is pending. Sai Pavan. So when I click on this, new window will open. Now I can chat with Sai Pavan. Hi. Check it whether you received or not. Our main intention of chat is, first of all, we try to engage with the customer. Then I got his details as well. His name, his email ID, again his IP address, what page he is doing. Can you reply back? Now even remaining chats as well. Until I open them, it will not go. I have to click and I have to chat with them. Now Babu mentioned hi. Babu DM at 13. So you can reply back Babu. Next Mallikarjun. So once I fill it, it will keep on going. Now see KDPM. All the chats are there. So Saipan mentioned something. In such a way, I can start conversation. What do you think? Why live chat is important? Better than the contact form.
They feel more free to explain.
You are interacting with the customer. You can ask more questions and you can solve their problem. And 20 to 30% high conversion rate will be there when you engage with the customer. So that's why these are good actually. Now, once the conversation is done, before that only I got his name, email ID. What you have to do is try to get his number as well so that we can contact later. Once it is done, put a status as a pending, complete, whatever it might be for internal purpose. Then close. This is how you'll finish the conversation. So this is the advantage of the contact form. Okay, it's working. Yes, Babu. Closing there. But there is one problem with the live chat. Any guess what might be the problem? What is the problem with the live chat? Customer.
The topic is very high.
Customer came to the chat. He says hi, and you reply back to him after 5 minutes. Do you think he'll stay? People have a patience of 6 seconds only. 7th second he will not be there in the website. You ignored him. He never come back to you. Chalo, when it comes to you at a time, you can chat with 5 people. 6th person comes, you have to ignore him. Then for this, you have to recruit more people, more agents, so that they can recruit. But if it is a small company, you can't recruit more people. That's why if you are not live 24 hours, if a customer comes, it's a problem. But here I show you the plugin called Tauk.2, right? This plugin, how it works, add new, type chat. If you install this plugin, what happens? They'll give you one mobile app as well. and you're not in the dashboard as well. You are going somewhere else. One any chat comes, it's keep on giving you sound doubt. So you can open your smartphone, you can chat from there. That's flexible. Again, here also problem is if more people comes, they have a system in such a way that you have a many people. Pawan is very busy. Then automatically go to another agent. He's also busy, it will go to another agent. It's but for the big companies only good. Small companies it is not good. What is your solution? If 100 people comes also, my system should chat with them. What will you do? If 100 people comes also, my system should chat with them. Any solution? Have you ever seen automatically keep on chatting?
I heard about chatbot, but they can't get it.
Yeah.
Fair.
Okay. Online students, any answer to replace live chat? Any other alternates you have? Chatbots, right? So I designed a chatbot for one of my client. Let's see this. Fast Freedom Academy, one of the US client. So this website I only designed. So when you're working for the client, everything has to be proper. What kind of image you using, how the contact form is there. See, this is the chatbot. See what it will do. If 1 lakh people comes also, it will talk to you. See, saying that, hello, welcome to Fast Freedom Academy. Can I get your first name? Then I'm typing, my name is Subhash. See what it is doing. Hey Subhash, it's a pleasure to meet you. It's sounding like a human. Please share your email address. I'm giving it. It is asking my number. And it is asking you to book an appointment. When you want to talk to me on Zoom call, then I'll book an appointment. Like 30th, 11 a.m. I want to book it. Confirm. Your appointment with us is confirmed. Awesome. Thank you. It's great, right? If 1 lakh people comes also, it will fulfill. And apartments also do. So everything is artificial intelligence these days. So I'm giving this as a task for you. I'm not explaining you how to design a chatbot because you have to be a self-learner. So to have a live chatbot, again, there are so many plugins here. To type chatbot. Type chat and space book. So there are so many plugins. This is. I want you to try this one. Chatbot for WordPress by collective.chat. This is awesome. 3 different templates also there. You can try this. Okay. Right. So we'll see how you're gonna integrate this chatbot. Now how much we learned? We learned contact form, live chat, chatbot. Let us go for one more plugin today. We'll be learning more plugins this weekend anyway. All advanced plugins also I'll be explaining because this we are in an initial stage. I don't want to give you more stuff. Learn small. People who are learning online as well, I recommend you to purchase domain. Whereas my classroom students, I'm giving a domains. Anyway, you're learning online. For a practice, it's always good to buy domain hosting. If you have, it's okay. I want to have a pop-up. Have you ever seen pop-ups on the website? Do you think pop-ups are good or bad? Irritating. When the pop-up is not designed properly, irritating. Okay. First of all, let us install one plugin of pop-up. So, pop-up. In here, so many are there. Again, we'll go for our Supsystic. See, chatbot, there is no Supsystic. I recommended collect.chat. So I'm installing this pop-up. Install now. And activate. So whenever you install the pop-up, again left hand side, you have a pop-up by Supsystic. You have to design the pop-up. Click on let's start. Yeah, give the pop-up name. Any name you can give. Now see, there are different pop-ups. You can choose whatever the pop-up you want. Now assume that I want to go for this pop-up. I'm taking this pop-up and I click on save. Let's see how this pop-up reflect on my website. Refresh it. You got the pop-up? When you got the pop-up, immediately, this is irritating. You can slow it down. Here, whenever you're doing only, you have an option here. When to show the pop-up. By default, when page load, immediately it is coming. Instead of that, we mention that delay for 5 seconds. Save. Now what happens? It will come after 5 seconds. If you want, you can mention 60 seconds, 120 seconds. It's good. Let him read something, then only pop-up should come. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aja. Okay. So you set the seconds. Based on that, it will come. Next, few more options. When to close the pop-up? After user close it. Means whenever the user close it, it has to close. But you have an option. Whenever user click outside the pop-up also, it has to close. That's good, right? You're giving freedom. Because smartphone, sometimes it's not clickable into mark. If you click anywhere, it has to close. Now let's see this, whether it is working or not. See, I'm clicking here, so it's going. But here is one option. When to close the pop-up? Only after action. Means the pop-up, the form is there, right? Whenever customer fills, then only it has to close. This is torture only, right? You're asking the customer to close. Then what you will do? You will not close the pop-up, you will close the website only. So don't do that. And last one, see whom to show? Everyone. Just now that guy filled the form. Again, if you refresh, again it's coming. This is torture. For the first time visitor or until user make an action. Today he came, he closed the pop-up. Tomorrow he come because he didn't fill the form, right? So 1 time a day or 2 times a day you can mention it. So in such a way, this is good actually. Pop-ups are good if you use in a proper way. If you don't use in a proper way, pop-ups are danger, pop-ups are irritating. Okay. Any questions? Clear? Okay. I don't want to take much here. Still we are learning. So what we learned today is, initially we already learned how to create a small website with a Mina Maze theme. Okay. Now we learned lead generation with plugins. What plugins we learned? Contact form, live chat, chatbot. I just gave you a mention, but you research and let me know. Finally is the pop-up. I will teach you more advanced plugins as well, but let us practice. Okay. When you come back tomorrow, I want you to have a website. Again, the website should be a proper one, whether it is a school, a college, or a hospital, or a yoga center. Create the website. Okay, with minimum 5 to 6 pages. 5 to 6 pages. At the same time, I want plugins. These plugins also, what I mention the plugins and come back. You have to spend 2 to 3 hours, then you'll get a perfect website. Then I'll rectify the mistake and I'll convey you. That's it, guys. This is the session. If you have any questions, let me know. I can take the questions. One more thing, guys. So the 6 months diploma classroom session started. We have few more seats left. If anyone interested, refer your friends because they're going to learn so many things. We also starting online batch as well. Refer your friends and relatives. We are offering 5,000 rupees as a referral amount so that you can get benefit. Students also get benefit. You might have seen that on LinkedIn, I'm posting a lot of the jobs. There is a lot of demand. Directly, recruiters are asking me to send the students there. So if you refer your friends and relatives, they will get benefit a lot. Okay. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Take care. If you have any questions in the same video, put it in the comments so that I'll get back to you.